So we're down at Roeso beach today, low tide. Just gonna have a look, see what we can see out here. I think the tide's due in about 30 minutes. Well, this is low tide. Beautiful. Look how clear that water is. And how green it is. Wow. I don't think I've been down here at low tide before, so yeah, there's a lot of rocks out here. I brought my snorkeling kit, but it's way out the deeper water. Oh, this is beautiful. I think the water today is about 27 degrees. I don't know whether this is a sewage outflow or what, or it might just be a pipeline out to Sebanyas Island, where I did the cycling a while ago. God, it's absolutely beautiful. It's not too hot today. Today's about 35. I think 2 weeks ago it was in the 40s. Just a little bit hotter than normal, about 5 degrees hotter than normal. It seems to have cooled down a little bit. It's a really strong breeze last week. That's gone now. So here you can see it's quite calm. Oh, it's like a fish over there flapping around. It's beautiful. There's a few crabs. Yeah, a bit strange, just a big pile of rocks. I don't know whether it's natural or man-made. Absolutely stunning. I think these are the boats that go out to, I think it's Dalma Island, which is about an hour, maybe an hour and a half in that direction. And then there's Sebanyas Island, where we did the cycling challenge a while ago. So the ferry port is down here, so that's only about 25-30 minutes.